Hey guys, it's me again. If you haven't read the title and the thumbnail, we're gonna do a
Hello
microwave
guys,
tutorial
so
for those
today
who don't know
we're
how
going
to
to be
turn it
doing
on.
microwave
Snowfall's over
tutorial.
there recording
This is
his
Big
intro. We're
Boy,
gonna
or
do the
you can
same
say Big
video, but
You can barely
we
see
may
him.
do split POVs. I'm not too sure.
It's over there.
Icy's
So
gonna join us. He's right over
yeah, we're gonna
there,
be my sticking.
by the
We're gonna
shop.
be doing microwave. So
Yeah. So
yeah, we're gonna
without further ado,
uh
let's go
there's
ahead,
also gonna be
grab
like
our
POVs and
gear,
stuff.
and
So
head
we're
over
gonna
to the
start it.
microwave. See
So
you guys there.
let's get it. Yo, Big Boy, okay.
My audio
Need help with
glitched.
something on your MetaQuest?
What?
Like, what do we need?
I accidentally opened some sort of like meta AI voice recognition thing, and I couldn't hear anything.
Okay, so all I know.
So the reactor is obviously over to the left. You can bring a teleport gun to make it easier to get through this, but if you don't have a teleport gun, go through, let your items get taken, come to this door, jump up here, and there's yeah, there's the key card.
Okay, so.
Key card to turn off
I don't know what kind of
the scanner.
And then you can do this.
Do that.
We.
Yep, you
Without
can
losing
freely
your
jump
gear.
in and out of it. But we didn't need to do that. So you're gonna want
How do we? How do we do this?
Okay, so
I know.
if you're playing with multiple people, you can use teamwork. So look up at the spam reactor board, fuel planning. So we need 3 red ones, 3 red circles, and 1 blue triangle. So we don't even have enough fuel for all of them. So we need to collect some uranium.
I have uranium in my bag. I have like 3.
Alright, nice. So then.
I dislike using uranium strongly. It's okay if you touch it. There's radiation showers everywhere.
Alright, guys. I don't know. I really don't know.
It's okay, Snowfall. That's why we're making this tutorial.
I got them. I got them.
Okay. So, for that door, that code door, come back up here. Look at the board. Password 6983. Go down to the door. 6983.
There.
There's gonna be some very scary robot dogs here.
Ow!
This is so loud.
Right there. There's another one.
Hey, the snail's nearby. I almost just died. Okay. So I'm at a little less than half. No, I'm at half. Come over here. Oh wait, not over here. Wait. Okay, no, not over here. Ah, here we are. Go through to here. Jump into here.
Where'd you guys go?
Vault key. Grabbing the vault key. Now, if you have oh shoot. If you have like a melee weapon or something, I'm pretty sure you can mine the uranium. Yep, see? Yeah, you can mine uranium.
Bro, what?
I genuinely didn't know this at first either. It's okay, Snowfall, you're not the only one.
Wait, no, I don't see nothing.
Oh, what do you mean you don't see nothing?
I don't. No, like.
Oh, you don't see the giant vat? It's just
You're
there?
floating in the air.
Okay. Well, sometimes it glitches. Yeah. Well, let's go back. Think it was this way? Yeah. can't catch me, stupid robot dog. Okay, the snail's in that other room. I just heard that squishy noise.
Hey, yo.
Hi, Gerald. Ow.
Holy freaking.
Where's Icy?
I have Loki don't know.
Okay. Once you're here, the valve in the wall. Make sure you don't drop your revolver ammo. If you brought one.
Put
Okay.
some in here. Do I put some in here?
Yeah, put
Do I
the
put some in
uranium.
here?
Put the
I'm
uranium
back.
in here.
I'm back. Oh, wait, uranium spawn.
Is it a W throw?
Oh,
That was a
uranium
W throw.
spawn.
That's
Holy
enough.
hell,
That's
you are.
enough. That's enough.
Alright, yeah, that's plenty. So, once you got your uranium, back up here. Spawn in the rest of the control rods, so we need 2 more red. And then blue.
I'll go to like the thing and you guys tell me what to do, okay?
Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna take a screenshot of the wall just in case. So if you're playing this solo, I suggest taking a screenshot of this like that, so you can see which parts you're supposed to get, where you're supposed to.
What do we do?
Okay, so I'm coming. I'm here. So put. Grab this red control rod, or this red fuel rod, and then put it at, closest to you would be E1. Icy, what did you do?
I don't know.
What did you do?
What the frick?
Did you drop one in
It
the water?
exploded.
What do I do?
Okay,
It exploded.
I got it, hold on.
What do I do? What do I do?
I'm spawning in another fuel rod, just let me control the cranes. Oh shit. There's another green one, don't grab that one. Okay, so here's how to control the cranes. This is up and down,
I'm doing it.
back, forward, left, right.
I know how to control it.
Alright, you have red. Okay, that red.
No.
Wait, where does that go? Hold on. Okay,
Okay,
yeah.
after I know
I see that red goes right here in B4. Lower it. Lower. Forward. Back. Back, just back. Back.
Oh. What the?
Come down. Just come all the way down. Alright, forward. A little bit. Left, a little bit. Drop. Should be. Yep.
What do I do? What do I do?
So that one is red. Okay. Let me see. Snowfall right here. Move it over here. All right. Nope. Nope. Back. Yep. Wait. Too far back. Go forward. A little bit back. A little more. Too much. Forward a little bit. Alright, lower it. Drop. I have eyes. I saw your hand. Alright, that is green. You can throw that one away. That we don't need a green one.
Okay.
Here, Icy, let me do it.
Oh.
Yeah, somehow I don't know how, but you keep blowing them up.
It's I don't know. So the first one I magically blew up. The second one was Have Ice because I dropped it down when you told me and you blew it up by hitting it.
Alright, cool.
But the first one that was
Fuel
all
rods are all in
boy's
place,
just
and now we
sweat,
come up
man.
here and plug it in.
Yeah, Stick
Big
Boy,
boy,
you're
you're just sweat.
Shush, 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 shush. Let me
coming.
watch and learn, nephews. Watch and learn.
Oh my god!
Okay, this plug is leaking.
I'm getting thrown! Oh my god!
Here, Icy, you grab one side. You grab.
I'm trying to get it.
Here.
What the? Got it.
I'm gonna try and grab the same side.
I'm getting absolutely thrown around, bro.
Dude, they made the plug
I'm not-
tweak to freak out. Okay, wait, everybody let go. Everybody let go. I'm a bit sick right now.
You okay?
Yeah, okay, Snowfall can do it.
Yeah, Snowfall.
There we go. Okay, it's in.
Snowfall
Now,
is built different
Go to
like
the
that.
microwave. I remember upon initial release of the microwave, there was 0 interface to show you what setting it was on. You just had to raw dog it. It's so laggy. My camera is lagging me. That's okay. This is how it felt to play on Quest 2 whenever this thing released.
What are we making wobbly?
I don't know. I wonder if you can fill up the microwave gigawatts. Why do you have a fire aspect 4 sword?
Alright. So wait, what happened? I wanna go in! How did you know? Oh, let's see.
Dove in!
Let me
Close the door!
Irradiate, Jellify, and then popcorn. But just a fair warning, popcorn does break your textures.
Okay. Close the
Cook
door.
me!
Snowfall.
Cook me!
Cook it. Close the door.
Yay, I'm being cooked a lot. Oh,
How'd you open it,
What
Highways?
happened?
I don't know.
Yeah.
How do you do that? I'm spending my time. Not really want
Hanging.
I'm going in for round 2.
Cody's awake.
I believe I can spin, but I get motion sickness. Die!
Ow! Oh my god! What's in my nose? Or I'm on fire.
I swear to God, if I get cooked, I'm gonna.
Then I can jiggle. No! Open the door!
Oh wait. Icy's bag is jiggly. Wait, let me turn it on Jellify.
No, open the door. No,
Michael! Don't leave me here! Michael! Michael!
No food for Icy.
No!
Have you killed me?
No, it didn't. That was the microwave.
No, that was fire.
Oh no!
Sorry, I'm situating my room right now. It's a little bit dark since it's super cloudy out. It's raining.
Open the freaking door, Alice!
God.
Dang! Have I swear to God.
Oh my god, this kid. Okay. How is this low-key annoying? I'm not reading. I wish I could kick him.
Let me cook him.
Oh yeah, see, you broke the door.
I want to cook him. Alright, we're gonna cook you.
There we go. It's closed.
Guys, we're gonna see burritos. That's big boy burrito.
Boing, boing, boing. Release me.
No, do it again. Start.
Boing.
What the? You're jiggling.
Yeah, that's what the Jellify thing does.
Someone get in. Have I
Wait, let me see.
Wait.
I want to be jelly.
Have
I
I-
want to be jelly. I want to be jelly.
Wait.
I want to be jelly.
Alright, you
The camera doesn't see the jelly.
2. Dead.
I was lagging terribly. Oh, Jello, being Jello makes you lag terribly when you teleport to spawn. Snowfire, you're not
Guys,
Jello, you're
look
not
at my
Jello, you're not Jello,
weapon.
you're not Jello, you're not Jello. You're not Jello. Oh my god. Oh my VR!
Look at my sword.
Look at my gun, my
He's not
my
Red Watch,
revolver.
frick. How is he not
Here,
Red
have
Watch, bro?
You blew
I'm
yourself
not
up.
Oh. I'm doing what is this?
Goofball. Ah, my goofy goofy.
Okay, I'm coming
Yeah.
back to spawn now.
Boing,
I'm gonna
boing.
go.
I don't know why I'm on fire. Okay, I'm not on fire anymore. But go shaboing, shabing, shaboom. Thank you guys for watching. We hope you enjoyed.
Thank you
Make
so
sure you
much.
guys check out Snowfall's
Yeah.
version of the video.
Yeah, my
Link in the-
mine's pretty
actually, no.
boring, but
Just
I'll
check his
still
channel in the
post it.
collab list right here. Hi, guys.
Yeah. So
Yeah, check out his
see
channel
you
in the
guys
collab.
later.
Get out.
Check out his
You need
channel
to
in the
leave.
collab list. Under my
Yeah.
name. Just go ahead, click his channel.
Highlights
Make sure you
is
check
like a
his videos
super-
out. They're pretty
Is a
fun.
super Spedward, and he's
Just
like
his-
super annoying and like super
Yo,
Hey,
why
that's
do we
not
both
very
have our
nice.
own version of
Negative
being a fly?
60
Anyway, thank you guys for watching. We hope you enjoyed,
Anyway,
and I shall.
bye-bye.
We shall see you guys
shall
on the
see you
next one.
next
Goodbye.
time. Holy high fives, bro.
No, wait, don't leave me.